four-way stop. Not this little intersection, but the next one. Notice the yellow diamonds have the stop sign shape. There's the stop signs. Here's the four-way, and notice under the stop signs, it has a little red that says all way. My left signal's on. Notice the road markings. Now, as you come into a four-way stop, right now there's no cars. But after you stop, whoever stops first goes first. Now, if you in the car to the right stop at the same time, the car to the right has the right of way. If you and the car across from you stop at the same time, and you're both going straight, you can both go. But if you're making a left, the car, if they're going straight across from you, has the right of way. It's like in a light.